morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Anita Krishna. Today our topic is need of value education. In previous video we are discussing about the meaning of value education, definitions of value education, what are the objectives of value education. Today the lecture 2, need of value education, purpose of value education, why we need value education. Everyone need value education to living a society, to environment. We are human is a happiness person. That's why we need all the values in our life, the perfect man in the society. That's why the today topic is need of value education. The following the sequences what we need in for value education. That is, the first one is correct identification of the aspiration. What is the aspiration? Goal. In Telugu, Asayalu. We learn, we reach our goals to correct identification. That is the first thing we need for value education. For everything, the correct identification of the aspirations. Human happiness is called value education. Human happiness is called value education. Unable to us to understanding the our needs of visualized and also our goals to correctly and also to indicate the directions for their fulfillment. It is also help us to our remove the confusenesses. Why? Because every person has a goal, but same goal is not equal to other person. The changing of goals to one person to other person. One person is thinking like that, my goal is doctor, and other person is thinking like that, my goal is engineer or teacher or a agriculture farmer. Like that, every person's have a different goals, but we have to reach our aspirations with thinking about the our happiness to become a values to our to identification of our aspirations, good or bad. You think like that. Every person is to indicate our directions, correct directions. In that way, we are reach our aspirations. That is also to give the more need of our value education. Why we are talking about the value education? That is our to linking about our aspirations. That's why that is linking our aspirations. You are a good person. You are thinking about our environment is also happiness in the society. Every people are happy. That is the good way to become a good direction, and also it is help us to remove the all confuseness in our life. That's why that is the you first step is correct identification of the aspiration. That is the first step. And second step is understanding universal human values to fulfill our aspiration to continuity. Why? Because values from the basis of our thoughts and our behavior and actions. That is the values are from the basic of what? Our thoughts. What we are thinking, what we are doing, what we are behaving like that, that is the main thing to behavior of our fulfillment of our aspiration. It is also to need of understanding the universal values. In that time you can bringing the whole values to one place to identify which values are to universal values. What are the values are to fulfill our thoughts, behavior, action. For example, values from the why we are talking about the thoughts, why we are talking about the behavior and action. That is the main basis from the value education or values. That is the main thing is our thoughts are to become our changing our behavior, and we are doing actions also. That is the main thing. For example, every student is thinking about that aspirations. We are thinking we are getting in morning at 5 o'clock. We are doing all works in up to 5 to 6 or 6 to 7. We are reach the college as time for time in 9 o'clock. Like that, we have to our thoughts and our behavior and you are doing your actions. These are the universal human values. You can thinking what are the universal human values to fulfill our aspiration to continuity. That is the main thing our to understanding the universal human values. That is the thoughts, behavior and action. Okay. The next one is complementarity of values and skills. Main, what are the values and what are the skills? That is the main thing is there are two belongings to complementarity of the values and skills. Why? Because everywhere you can see the value at the side they are skill. For example, you are thinking like that in a society, you are living person, you have to being a healthy person to living a man. But you are a healthy person, you have no skills, you are not be a healthy person. Why, ma'am, you are calling like that? You are thinking to you are a healthy person. That is the thoughts. But your behavior and your actions, that is the skills. What we are behavior, we are actions means we can take the good food, nutrition food and also physical exercises to doing every day in your daily life. That is the skill. We need for skill. Where is the values? And also at the side there are skills. విలువలు నైపుణ్యాల సహకారం పరస్పర సహకారం. That is the main thing. Values and skills are at the both are side. That is the you have to need for your value education. To fulfill your aspiration, to values, both values and skills are necessary when we identify set a right goals and produce right direction. This is known as value domain. The value domain become the value wisdom. That is the main goal. That's why the complementarity of values and skill. They are to both sides. You can set up one goal, but you can do to your values, but and also at the side you can do for your skills. You can develop your skills. That is the example I said. No, you are being a healthy person. That is the value, but you have to do for your develop your skills. What are these skills? That you can take good nutrition food, and also you can take every day you can do for physical exercise. In that time you are a healthy person. That is the example, the complementarity of values and skills. Okay, the next one, evaluation of our beliefs. Evaluation of our beliefs is a very important. Why? Because what we are doing, what we are read, what we are see, what we are hear, that is the parents tell us to beliefs, and also magazines also to talk of our beliefs, and we are seeing in the televisions. These are the we our in the society, our beliefs. Every religion, every family also the different beliefs. We are more focused on the beliefs. Evaluation of our beliefs also we need for to develop our value education. Education means that is the main importance. What is the importance? What is the knowledge about the values? That is the main thing. You are very evaluation. Why? Because our parent also tell us these are our beliefs. We are showing like that in the past years we are doing these are beliefs like that. That is also, and also we are talk about the magazines, and also we are seeing for our television what are the in Indian culture, what are the Indian beliefs, our different religion beliefs. We are so many beliefs in the to follow to our in our culture, in our life. But this is the main thing, to evaluation of our beliefs is also need of our value education. The next one is technology and human values. Present situation, the present education is also to become a largely in skill based. We are using mm, technology, science and technology in education system. Why? Because we are using different methodologies in teaching also. This is the one way of the teaching in methodology, the YouTube classes. That is the to every time to time you can watch my videos. That is the different methodology of our teaching level. That is the in present education is also to largely based on the skill based. We are using science and technology in value education. But value education is crucial missing link the present situation in education system. Why? Because in online classes we are using the one, missing the one value education class. Why? Because direct to in the interaction between teacher and student, that is the level of the direct method of the teaching of value education. And other method is the indirect, like that we are using the technology in the human values also. That's why we are very manufacturing values. That is the main thing why we are need of value education. These points are very important. You identify. The first one is you correct identification of your aspiration, and understanding the human values to fulfill your our aspiration in continuity, and also complementarity of human values, evaluation of our beliefs, and technology and values, human values. These are the need of or purpose of value education. The next one is nature of value education. Why we are nature? Nature means what is the main focus on the value education. These are the values. In next unit, we are discussing about the more focus on the what are the human values, what are the social values, what are the cultural and religious values, and ethical values, global values, and spiritual values. These are the focus on the nature of value education. Nature means what we are. స్వభావం ఏంటి, విలువలతో కూడినటువంటి విద్య యొక్క స్వభావం ఏంటి అంటే we are talking about the more focus about the these are values. These values are we are knowing about the what are the personal values, what are the human values, what are the social values and ethical values, global values, cultural, our religious values and spiritual values. We are understanding, not for reading for every book and PDF paragraph as a content, not like that. You can identification of the correct moral values, you understanding the what good, what bad, what right, what wrong. These are the values you can every student, every person to understanding about the what values. That is the you learn about the nature of value education. We are continued reading about the paragraphs, PDFs, not like that. That is not value education. Value education is interaction between teacher and student, parent and child. Like that you can understanding about the what values we need for in the education system. That is the nature of value education. And also value education, there are methods of value education. That is the direct method and indirect method. What is the direct method is, that is the interaction between in the classroom, the teacher and student. That is the every student is more discuss and focus on the moral stories and the great man personality biographies and discuss about the interaction between student and teacher. That is the direct method that is going on in one classroom, one lecture or any interaction between teacher and student. That is the direct method. And second method is indirect method. Indirect method is the to not in the classroom but in the timetable that class is for value education. You can teach the and what is the environment, what is the society we are doing for the such a activities, curricular and co-curricular activities. We are in group studies also, group subjects also. We have a curricular activities and co-curricular activities. Like that, in indirect method, the value education is also curricular and co-curricular activities. We must and should know about every student what is the main focus on the value education. That's why you can remember that this is the very important for what is the good things, what is the bad things. You can learn about the values, tolerance, what are the aspirations, what are the teamwork, what we are the many group discussions and also role plays, what are the you do for the social values, you can do for the what are the spiritual values, and both are discussing about the group discussions, teamwork. These are the indirect method. That is also direct method is also very good for value education And also indirect method is a very best learning methodology of the every teacher and student, that is need for value education. That's why we need for direct method and indirect method. These are the methods of direct and indirect method. These are the need of value education and nature of value education and what are the methods. You understood about these main topics. This is the very important topic. Why? Because this is the basic of value education. Next we are discussing about the what are the process of the value education, what is the content of value education, what are the main guidelines of the value education. These are the next we are going move to the more on the value education, but basic knowledge about the value education is what is the purpose, what is the need of value education. This is the very important. Why? Because every student is more focused on the in present situations. We are learn to value education. Every person's in previous video we have a honesty, we have a big tree. In big trees we have a fruits and flowers, like that we have a truth, happiness and honesty and awareness, creating awareness, like that we have a so much of fruits and flowers in our values, like that. That is the main thing. These are the basic of need of value education. You can like this video to give a like and comment on the chat box. Thank you very much.